Alright, address here is 1317 Kappel. We're here doing a sewer inspection. We started from the yard vent going towards the house. What you see right there to the right is how the stack goes. That goes to the stack. Straight ahead goes to a floor drain. So we're going to record on the way back. We already went from the stack. That portion is fine. Actually, the cast iron portion under the house is fine. This lateral is cast iron and clay. Cast iron is inoperable and serviceable condition. Shortly here we will transition to 6-inch clay. I just want to point out one spot in the clay. And this is where the owner kept having issues, backup issues. So we'll get there shortly here. Okay, right there is our cast iron to clay transition. So we're going to 4-inch cast iron to 6-inch clay. We're recording backwards to the starting point, which is the yard vent. Okay, right there at the top, you see some roots here. Now, what I had a guy come out and recable this line. But we still got some roots right here at the connections, which is pretty normal for clay. And there's one more that still has some roots at the connection, but it's not a collapse. Got a little bit there, but you're not going to get 100% of the roots right there. Okay, now right here, we cabled this line again. We're able to get a 5-inch cutter through, but you still see some roots at the top, and we're directly under this tree. Right under this tree, or pretty much under the tree. So what I'm going to recommend is, I honestly think a root X treatment will help out tremendously here, and I'm also going to run what's called a chain cutter, see if I can clear this up some more. But this is a matter of maintenance. I believe this is a matter of maintenance. There's nothing that would suggest to me that the pipe is collapsed. You're going to have roots to grow in at the connection right there. So the thing to do is just get it as clean as much as possible and get this thing cabled every year. So that's right there, and that's directly under the tree. As I said, I'm going to try a chain cutter to open it up some more, but everything's open here and everything flows free. But I'm going to do a little bit more here. Again, right there too, and it's at the pipe connections. But I'm going to do a different type of cutter to try to open it up more, and I would suggest a root X treatment. We started here at the yard vent. Where we were, those two spots were right under this tree here. And that's why they're growing in so much at those two connections. And that's the side of the house there. So we're going to stop here, pick up on another video. Now we're going to attempt to make it out from the yard vent to the city main.